What's going on, guys? Derek Johnson of Legendary Leads here. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Today's video, I'm going to dive into a client's account. We've been working together over the past week or so, and you can see the results of the work we've been putting in. You'll see how we were able to build a pipeline of $70,000 in potential value in under 15 minutes of work just by thinking ahead, creating a strategy, setting up some workflows, and some automations. So this is going to free up a ton of his time and allow him to deal with the lead volume that he gets on a daily basis. So with that being said, if you're new to Legendary, go ahead and visit legendaryleads.co. Start your 7-day free trial today. If you sign up for the Legendary bundle, you get some additional software tools you can use on Facebook to actually grow organically without spending any money on paid ads. So this is the best value. And if you do sign up today for the annual plan, I'll actually work with you as well to set up your automatic lead generation and qualification system in Legendary. So feel free to jump in on the yearly bundle. You can actually save $97 if you mention that you saw this video. I'm going to waive the onboarding call. So I'll send you a link to my calendar and we can actually get together on what date will work best. But jump in on the Legendary bundle and I'll help you build out the system. So with that being said, without further ado, let's jump in and see this pipeline work itself like magic. You're seeing these leads get shaken out live now. We're going through. The pipeline is working itself. Thing of beauty. Started with 200 leads. You can see they're self-selecting themselves. We've had over 5 interested. We got one who is close to closing a deal. We're almost going to get them booked on the calendar soon. So you can see how beautiful this system is. Pipeline is growing in value, getting closer and closer to the finish line. It's better than going to the casino because we control the lead flow. And you could sit here with popcorn, bring some friends over. You could watch this show, put it on the big screen, whatever you want to do. It's just amazing. Oh, I love seeing this. Look at all these hot leads just working themselves. And not interested is just not interested right now. Some of these could turn into deals down the road too. Yeah, baby, come to Papa. Oh yeah, look at that pipeline. Just working, just working. There's our leads. Some of these might be wrong addresses. The ones that are, get that workflow. And some are interested in the offer, quite a few. This is a good first run, I'd say.
And this has been going on for what, maybe 10 minutes tops?
Oh yeah. I might have to move this on the other side. And then, because I don't think I move them to this when they book an appointment. So we'll want to know that though in the pipeline. 65,000 potential value. Oops. Some people might not get back to us right away. But that's not bad to shake out, you know, close to 65 grand without doing anything except dropping some leads in.
That's a slow day, man. That's only 200 leads out of my system, and my FSBO capture system captures about 165 a day. So if you can imagine starting each day with 165 brand new hot fresh leads, shaking those out to those people who want to work with us, who want us to follow up with them, have completed our form, indicating a ton of interest in those kind of things. You know, it really is sort of automating the entire negotiation process on the front end with the seller. And I mean, what a great way. You could, in theory, start this out at 7 a.m. your time, and by 8 o'clock in the morning, you know, have a $100,000 pipeline just for one day.
Yep. And it gives you that ability to scale because you don't have to get on the phone until they've already qualified themselves that they're interested prospects.
I love it. Absolutely love it. And, you know, in theory, the prospects for the day could total, for example, if you're looking on the screen right now, all the way to the right where it says follow up, says that lead value of $70,000. We set a default lead value for only $5,000. And so let's say you wind up with one for $25,000. Let's say you wind up with one for $100,000. And all of a sudden the lead value for today already, just in something that we've been doing grand total of about 15 minutes so far, you know, who knows? That could be $150,000 in prospects, and for something that we've spent a grand total of about 15 minutes on.
It's a beautiful thing.